friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to discuss some important in previous year's question of chapter 2 polynomials class 10th. Now if alpha and beta are zeros of the quadratic polynomial is given by ax square plus bx plus c, then sum of zeros, that is alpha plus beta, the formula is minus b by a. B is the coefficient of x and a is the coefficient of x square. And product of zeros, alpha into beta, is given by c by a. Now if alpha, beta and gamma are zeros of cubic polynomial ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, then alpha plus beta plus gamma is minus b by a, alpha beta plus beta gamma, gamma alpha is c by a, and product of zeros alpha beta gamma is given by minus d by a. Now the first question is, if alpha and beta are the zeros of polynomial this, find alpha plus beta plus alpha beta. Since it is a quadratic polynomial, so value of a will be 2, b will be 7 and c is 5. Alpha plus beta is given by minus b by a, substitute values minus 7 by 2. Alpha into beta is c by a, that is 5 by 2. Now substitute these values in alpha plus beta plus alpha beta. Minus 7 by 2 plus 5 by 2. Take LCM, minus 7 plus 5, it will be minus 2 by 2, that is minus 1. This is the required answer. Now the second question is, if alpha and beta are the zeros of this, find 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. First of all, compare this with quadratic polynomial. So the value of a is 4, b is 3 and the constant c is 7. Calculate first of all alpha plus beta, that is minus b by a. Substitute values. Alpha into beta, that will be c by a, 7 by 4. Now take this 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. LCM, alpha plus beta. Substitute values. Alpha plus beta is minus 3 by 4 by, that is divide, alpha beta is 7 by 4. Minus 3 by 4, convert divide into multiply by reciprocal it. 4 by 7 cancel, so the answer is minus 3 by 7. Now the next question is, if alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial, find the sum of their reciprocals. If alpha and beta are the zeros, we need to find sum of what their reciprocals. The reciprocal of alpha will be 1 by alpha and beta will be 1 by beta. We need to find 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. First of all, write the values of a, b and c. The value of a will be 1, b 1 and c 1. Apply formula alpha plus beta minus b by a, that is minus 1 by 1. Minus 1 alpha into beta c by a. 1 by 1, that is 1. 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta, take LCM, alpha plus beta. Substitute values. So the answer is, sum of the reciprocal is minus 1. Now the fourth question is, if alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial, this find the values of alpha square plus beta square. Compare in the write the values of a, b and c. The value of a will be 2, b will be minus 7 and constant c is given by 3. Find out alpha plus beta, that is minus b by a, minus 7 by 2, that is 7 by 2. Alpha into beta, c by a, that is 3 by 2. Now apply the identity. Alpha square plus beta square is given by alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Now substitute values. 7 by 2 minus 3 by 2. 49 by 4 minus 6 by 2. Take LCM. 49 minus 2 into 2 4, 6 into 2 12, 7, 37 by 4. So the answer of alpha square plus beta square is 37 by 4. Now the fifth question is, if alpha and beta are the zeros of polynomial this, find the values of alpha plus 1 and beta plus 1. Compare the value of a will be the coefficient of x square, that is 1, b value minus p, and constant c value minus p plus c. Since here it is small c, so denote it by capital C, capital B and capital A to avoid confusion. Now sum is given by alpha plus beta minus b by a. Substitute values. Alpha into beta is given by c by a minus p plus c by 1. Alpha plus 1, beta 1 plus 1. Multiply them. Alpha beta plus beta plus 1. Now substitute the value of alpha beta, that is minus p plus c. Alpha plus beta value, that is p minus c plus p plus 1. Cancel out, so the answer is minus c plus 1, or write it as 1 minus c. This is the required answer. Now the next question is, if alpha and beta are the zeros of this polynomial, find the value of alpha cube plus beta cube. First of all, compare and write the values of a, b and c. The value of a is 2, b minus 7 and c is given by 3. Apply alpha plus beta, that is minus b by a, 7 by 2, alpha into beta, c by a, that is 3 by 2. Apply the identity of alpha cube plus beta cube, that is alpha plus beta whole square minus 3 alpha beta. Now substitute values. For alpha plus beta, substitute 7 by 2. For alpha into beta, substitute 3 by 2. 49 by 4 minus 9 by 2. Take LCM. 49 minus 18. 131 by 4. Multiply them 7. 217 by 8. This is the required answer. For this, learn the identity alpha plus beta whole square minus 3 alpha beta. Now next question is, if alpha and beta are the zeros of this polynomial, find the value of this. First of all, compare and write the values of a, b and c. Now apply the formula alpha plus beta, that is minus b by a, 5, alpha into beta, c by a, that is 6 by 1, 6. Now 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta minus 2 alpha beta. Take LCM of alpha beta, that is alpha plus beta minus 2 alpha beta. Now substitute the values. For alpha plus beta, substitute 5. For alpha beta, substitute 6. For alpha beta, substitute 6. Now take LCM. 6 into 6, 36 into 2, 72. Minus them. 12 minus 5, that is 7, minus 67 by 6. This is the required answer. Now next question is, if alpha and beta are the zeros of this polynomial, find the value of this. Compare and write the values of a, b and c. Apply the formula alpha plus beta is minus b by a, that is 2 by 3. Alpha into beta is c by a, that is minus 7 by 3. Alpha by beta plus beta by alpha. Take LCM, alpha beta. Alpha square plus beta square. Apply the identity alpha plus beta whole square minus twice alpha beta by alpha beta. Now substitute values. For alpha plus beta, substitute 2 by 3. For 2 alpha beta, substitute minus 7 by 3. And for alpha beta, that is minus 7 by 3. Now we will be solving it. Now solve it. 2 by 3 square, 4 by 9, minus and minus plus 14 by 3. For by, apply divide, minus 7 by 3. Take LCM. The LCM of 9 and 3 is 9. 4, 3 into 3, 14 into 3, 42. For divide, reciprocal it and convert it into multiply. 44 by 9 into 42 plus 4, that is 46 by 9 minus 3 by 7. 3 into 3, 9 minus 46 by 21. This is the required answer. Now next question is, if alpha, beta, gamma are the zeros of this cubic polynomial, find the value of this. Write the values of a, coefficient of x cube, that is 1. The value of b will be minus p, c is given by q, and d is given by minus r. Now write the values of alpha plus beta plus gamma, that is minus b by a, so it is minus p by 1, p. Value of alpha, beta, gamma, alpha is given by c by a, that is q by 1, q, and alpha, beta, gamma is given by minus d by a, minus r by 1, that is r. Now take this term 1 by alpha beta plus 1 by beta gamma, 1 by gamma alpha. Take LCM, alpha, beta, gamma. So since alpha, beta is here, so write gamma. Beta, gamma, so write alpha. Gamma, alpha, write beta. So the value of alpha, beta plus gamma is p, and the value of alpha, beta, gamma is r. So p by r is the required answer. Now next question is, if alpha, beta, gamma are the zeros of this cubic polynomial, find the value of alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square. First of all, write the values of a, b, c and d. For a, the value of is p, b that is q, c is r, and constant d is given by s. Now apply the formula. Alpha plus beta plus gamma is given by minus b by a, that is minus q by p, and alpha, beta, gamma is given by minus d by a, that is minus s by p. Alpha, beta, gamma plus gamma alpha is given by c by a, that is r by p. We need to find the value of alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square. Apply the identity. Alpha plus beta plus gamma whole square, that is alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square, twice alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha. Now substitute the value of alpha plus beta plus gamma, that is minus q by p. Alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square, and write the value of alpha beta, beta gamma and gamma alpha, that is r by p. It is q square by p square. Bring that term on the LHS. Take LCM, p square, q square minus 2rp. This is the required answer of alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square. The answer is q square minus 2rp by p square. Now next question is, if alpha, beta, gamma are the zeros of cubic polynomial this, and alpha cube plus beta cube plus gamma cube is 27, find the value of k. First of all, compare this and write the coefficients. The value of a will be k, the value of b will be 0 because there is no x square, so its coefficient will be 0. The value of c is minus 5 and d is given by 9. Apply the formula. Alpha plus beta plus gamma is given by minus b by a, that is 0, and alpha, beta, gamma is given by minus d by a, that is minus 9 by k. Since we know that if a plus b plus c is 0, then the identity is a cube plus b cube plus c cube is 3abc. In a similar manner, if alpha plus beta plus gamma is 0, then alpha cube plus beta cube plus gamma cube is also 3 alpha beta gamma. Now substitute their values. Alpha cube plus beta cube plus gamma cube is given 27, and the value of alpha beta gamma is minus 9 by k. Cross multiply, minus 27 cancel out, so the value of k is minus 1. Now next is, if alpha, beta, gamma are the zeros of this polynomial and condition given is 2 beta is alpha plus gamma, find the value of c. First of all, compare this and write the values of a, that is coefficient of x cube 1, the value of b is minus 12, c is given by 44 and constant d is given by c. So substitute, write these values in capital to avoid confusion. Now apply the identities. Alpha plus beta plus gamma is minus b by a. Alpha beta, beta gamma, gamma alpha is c by a, and alpha beta gamma is given by minus d by a. Now substitute values. It is minus 12, that is 12. The value of c is 44 and the value of a is 1. 44, value of d is c, small c, and 1, that is minus c. Now we are given that 2 beta is alpha plus gamma. So in this equation, for alpha plus gamma, substitute 2 beta. It will become 2 beta plus beta is 12. 3 beta is equal to 12. So the value of beta will be 12 by 3, that is 4. Now take this one. Alpha beta gamma is minus c. For beta, substitute 4. So the value of alpha gamma becomes minus c by 4. Now take this one. Take beta common. It will become alpha plus gamma. And for alpha gamma, substitute minus c by 4. For beta, substitute value 4. For alpha plus gamma, substitute value 2 beta. 4 into 2, 8. For beta, substitute value 4. 8 into 4, 32. Bring 44 on LHS. Plus c by 4. 32 minus 12. Then cross multiply. So the value of c is minus 48. Required answer. Now try these questions and answer them in the comment section given below. If you like the video, give thumbs up, subscribe my channel and share videos with your friends. Bye bye.